In this video, let's talk about the sensory system, its energetic function, and the gemstones that vitalize it. This system is a specialized portion of the nervous system and is designed to provide input from the sense organs. These include the eyes, the ears, the tongue, and the nose, as well as the skin, which provides the somatic sensations associated with touch. The senses translate information from the physical world to the brain, where we interpret it and create our perception of the world.
Energetically, the sensory system does a similar job, but for non-physical things. It identifies and evaluates the unseen aspects of our environment. This includes any feelings, memories, and thoughts that might exist around us. Both physically and energetically, the sensory system takes in and processes information to help us navigate our world. The vitalizing gemstones for the sensory system are Blue Topaz and Australian Opal. Blue Topaz energy has the ability to erode the attitudinal boundaries that may keep us contained. Australian Opal energy helps free us from limiting mindsets so that creative thoughts can easily flow. Wearing Blue Topaz with Australian Opal uplifts the senses. When this occurs, we can detect more accurately what truly exists rather than what our mind believes. This is important because our awareness can be easily shifted away from the truth. People who don't want us to see the truth for whatever reason are good at diverting our attention or creating a veil of illusion that hides what we should be able to see. Limiting beliefs can also get in our way. Buy into these illusions often enough, and they may start to weaken the physical senses. We may lose our ability to determine truth and may not see opportunities that present themselves. Wearing Blue Topaz with Australian Opal provides energetic support to help you let go of limiting mental attitudes, concepts, and thought patterns. Expand your mind to see and understand others' viewpoints, and be more adaptable to change. Wear these gemstones when you want to be more receptive to creative ideas. Soften and relax your mind so that it is less susceptible to stress. Learn new things, retain information better, and free yourself of habits and addictions that may be holding you back. Together, Blue Topaz and Australian Opal can also enhance your ability to visualize good health, either overall or in specific areas.
My name is Isabel Morton, and I'm the founder of the Gemstone Therapy Institute. I invite you to learn more about Blue Topaz with Australian Opal and our systems approach for selecting the right gemstones for you. Best wishes on your journey to greater health, and thank you for watching this video.
See the links in the information box below this video screen.